talk about the foods that they should be eating and they should be avoiding besides these calculations.
Right.
Any specific foods that we commonly eat in our diet? We eat roti, we eat chawal, we eat chicken, we eat curries, things like that.
Right.
So anything that you specifically want to recommend and you want people to avoid?
So our diets are rich in protein, which is very good. So
Mm,
we eat a lot of legumes.
mm,
We eat rich in white meat, red meat. So in terms of protein, we don't have an issue.
mm,
Now, when it comes to taking carbs, again, calories in is calories out. If you are particularly careful about your weight,
mm.
then you have to cut back on the carbs, right? Now, I mentioned earlier we have to take carbs for physical activity, right? But you need to know what is your goal when you are doing a physical activity. If you are mostly focused about your weight, then you have to cut back on the carb, because again, your goal is to be a negative caloric
Mm.
diet to be able to lose weight. So in that cases, I recommended cutting back on bread and rice because they are rich in carbs, right? But a day before the race, I recommend taking rice because you want to do the carb loading. So again, it has to be modified what you want to achieve with your diet. Our diets are very high caloric diets, very high in carbs, right? And that certainly does not help in losing weight. If your goal is to lose weight, then you certainly want to cut back on the carbs, roti
Yeah,
and chawal, right? You
yeah,
have to like no roti, no chawal diet.
so that's like a disaster for us. But do you have any comments? Because a lot of people might be thinking, listening to us at
Mhm.
this time, and I don't know, we have discussed this before.